Hello everyone, in this video we would like to share the work that we finished in the Toyota Kluger KX-S 2013 model. This is the last year, the generation 2017-2013. So the car came with the standard radio over here, and currently it is fit with the full package of wireless Android Auto, wireless Apple Carplay, USB Android Auto, USB Apple Carplay, and full upgrade of the full HD anti-glare and super night vision reverse camera, steering wheel control connected, and sound system boost up with the built-in very strong amplifier as well. So at this moment it is 10-inch with the wireless Android Auto on the screen, and quickly I can show you how the reverse camera is going. So it is that, and it comes very straightforward and super clear and detail. There's a bit of delay in the power into the camera, so it show up that kind of lost signal, but actually it's not lost. It just the camera responds so fast and it doesn't receive enough power at the same time. But just only happened in this case, a very independent particular case only, but otherwise it definitely works very nice and very well. So here we go, full 10-inch, full package, upgrade camera, USB port down here, and USB port inside the glove box, steering wheel control connected, and everywhere looks nice and matching to the color to the car, and still has the the pocket over here, so you can slide the part over here as well, the pocket there, and the buttons, factory button here and the factory button there. So yep, it's all working very nicely, and no more small camera on the small screen because we upgrade with the new camera and make it looks like factory at the end. So just quickly have a look. So actually here you go. That is the camera, if you can see it. Yep, it stayed right there. Beautiful. Okay, so that's about the system we fit. 10-inch full package for the Toyota Kluger and 2013 KX-S. So thanks again for watching, and see you on the next one.